ADHERE prototype program. We just got done gluing together the first piece of the pod pack inner core shell for the latest iteration. So you can kind of get a sense of, this is where the handle inlay is going to be at. Down here will be battery, removable lithium ion battery with the motors. It's not cored out. The next print I'll just core it out in the file. We still have to do the back panel here. A lot of cleaning up to do to get that back panel to a point where it's can be inserted. But yeah, it's coming around good. The changes from the slice that was before, so it started here and angled down to here. All this volumetric space that was added, super beneficial, especially for tennis shoes or for some other clothing items and stuff. For as a carry-on, it really gives you a sense of the volume. It's looking pretty good, It's got some really good space in there, I think, especially for the smart features. So we're thinking we're going to end up sanding and finishing the entire thing by hand, and then painting it. That's what we're leaning towards. The only thing is there's a hinge here, and paint and hinges don't go well together. But yeah, maybe we'll tape off the inner portion of the hinge or something like that so it doesn't start to wear. I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. Maybe we tape off the whole thing and just paint this top section. Totally didn't realize until after the fact that if we would have printed from the opposite side and this was the bottom, and we should have just made this the bottom and printed up and had our structure hanging down, it would have taken more time and more material. But it's probably the right way to go to get a clean finish on these edges that are up here, because this is the first spot that you see when you open that lid. So the handle looks like it's going to be good in terms of scale. We want to try and do a totally different kind of handle than what's out there on the market. The fins look like they're going to work out well as insertion points. This is a test run just to see how that might work, to just kind of slide in the outer core shell and lock it into place somehow. So this is kind of just seeing how that might work out. But yeah, overall pretty good, so pretty happy with it. So we'll give everybody an update by tomorrow. ADHERE.